How to change text size on TikTok. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can change a text size on TikTok. So guys, without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Increase or decrease text size in TikTok. So firstly open the TikTok. So after this you can see profile at the bottom right corner. So click on profile, and then you can see here three lines on the top right corner. After this you can see setting and privacy, and then here is the options of accessibility. So click on accessibility. So when you will click on accessibility, you can see here text size. So after this you can see here adjust text size option. So you can increase by moving it on the right side. So if you want to decrease, so you can see you can decrease by moving the cursor on the left side. So guys, in this way you can increase text size on the TikTok. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.